Before you can select the budgets amounts mode, you need to create a template. And then these differ a little from the templates that you create for other GL wizard modes, as you need to create a separate template for each required combination of budget name and the period year. To create a new template, we will go to the GL wizard setup, manage templates. In my case, I need to log in because I didn't authenticate myself before. We'll put my user and my password. Choose the appropriate responsibility. Then I will come here to new. I will put here a name. In my case, I will put a number 1. I will say budget, test, more for apps. Say OK. Here I will have to choose budget amounts. And then now we'll ask me for the information that they need to know. I could put a percentage here. And I could see all the budgets that are created. I will pick one of them. BIS services. I could choose the period year. That in this case will be the last one that I have. I will press OK. You can even specify the periods that you want, but in my case, I want all the periods that are available for that particular period, for the 01. And then after that, I could assign the responsibilities. Then I could look like that, or I could even look like all the ones that say something in particular. In my case, I want to choose that one. Then I would say select the sections you see that is nothing there, templates, and then save to the repository. And then I would say OK. With that, now my template, when I go here to the GL wizard and I look here in actuals, I will be able to see my template that I just create. And then from there, I will be able to create a new spreadsheet to populate my budget for that particular budget and for that particular period. Then you will have to do this every period when you are creating a budget in GL. Thank you.